Alright, in this video what I talk about is once we've already created our class in Google Classroom, we're going to go ahead and add our first assignment for our students. So to do this, there's a couple parts that you need to recognize and understand. So first of all, we need to be within the class that we are creating the assignment for. So we're going to come down here into our main stream. Again, this is the main page that your students see right away. And if I click on assignment, opens up a couple different parts to the assignment option. So underneath title of the assignment, I'm going to say this is an assignment. Description, do this. Now say that you have a bunch of key parts to this. This is a great way for you to organize your lesson for the day. So if you have your students going online to a couple different websites and completing a couple different things, put it all underneath one assignment so it's easy for the students to find and complete all in one place. So I like to put the daily activities on here as one big assignment. I may not give the points to it, but it's a great way for your students to see what they need to do, and it's all in one place. So once you put the title, once you put a description down, you can change the due date. So let's make it due tomorrow, or on Thursday I should say, and add a time, and I want it due to me by 3 o'clock. Let's go 3 o'clock p.m. Alright, and you can change it to whatever time you want. Once that time hits, they're not able to submit the assignment anymore. So a couple different things here. So say that we want to add a link. You can click the link button. I want them to go to my website, so www.mrkorb.com, and I'm going to add. So there's a link that's going to pop up, so it's added to the class, so they can click on it and go there. Another thing that you can add is a YouTube video. So let's head over to YouTube real quick, and say that I want them to watch this video. Copy the link, and you can add it as a YouTube video. Like that. Okay, you can also search for this video, add it directly in. Boom, there's the video. So if you have, this is great for flipped lessons. This is what I do. I toss my assignments on here so it's in one place for the students to find. Okay, next, you can upload a document. So that's pretty self-explanatory. You upload a document, and there it's in the assignment for the students to open. But this is the really cool feature of Google Classroom. It links directly into your Google Docs page or your Google Drive. So if I want to attach a document in here, I can go directly into my Google Drive page, and I'm going to click on the assignment that I've already created for them. So say that you have a worksheet that you want them to complete, or say that you have writing a prompt that you want them to complete. Click on the assignment in your Drive, you add it, and these are the cool features over here. Students, let me scroll down here. There we go. Students can view the file. So if you want the students to just view it, you're not able to edit it, you can't do anything with it. These are your sharing features right here. Next, students can edit the file. That means every single person is going to access the same document. So if you're working on a classroom assignment or you're working on small group assignments, this is a good tool to use. Or this is my favorite feature. Make a copy for every student. Before Google Classroom, if you were using Google Drive and sharing documents with your students, or your students were sharing documents back and forth, you had to worry about sharing documents every single time, making a copy, then renaming the copy, and then sharing it with the teacher, sharing it with your friends who's in your group. This eliminates all that. Making a copy for each student actually takes the assignment, the document itself, so it'll take the title, this is an assignment, put a dash, and it'll put their name. And guess what it looks like when they submit it to you? Exactly that format. So it's very organized. The students don't have to worry about turning it in, nothing like that. They can turn it into this assignment, or you can have access at any time to see that document because you have control of the sharing settings. So I'm going to go ahead and assign. And I don't have any students in this classroom, but it's still going to assign. So if a student pops into this class, you'll see that they will get added on. So this is what it looks like. Say that you forgot something. It happens. Come down here to add a comment and say, hey, I forgot to add this. Okay. Enter in the comment, post it, and you can have a running commentary after that. So if your students have questions, they can comment right on the post. You'll get those directly, and Yeah. So this is how to add your first assignment. So with links, with YouTube videos, with Google Docs, which is a great tool to use where you can assign every student a copy of the assignment. Okay. Again, this has been Mr. Korb. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. You can follow me on Twitter at Mr. J. Korb, or check out my website, www.mrkorb.com, for more tips and tech tools. All right. See you next time.